Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Cash App crypto withdrawals and identity checks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Cash App crypto withdrawals, start by opening the app on your mobile device. Log into your Cash App account if you haven't already done so. Tap on the home icon to access your dashboard. Select the investing tab from the menu options. Choose Bitcoin from the list of available investment options. Tap on Withdraw Bitcoin to begin the withdrawal process. Select the desired amount you wish to withdraw. If this is your first withdrawal, you may need to complete an identity verification process. Follow the prompts to upload a government-issued ID. Ensure your ID is clear and legible for a smooth verification. Once your ID has been uploaded, Cash App will review it for approval. This review process may take a few minutes to complete. Once verified, you'll receive a notification confirming your identity. Now you can proceed to finalize your withdrawal. Enter the Bitcoin address where you want to send your funds. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any errors. Confirm the transaction details before submitting. You may be prompted to enter your Cash App PIN or fingerprint for security purposes. After confirming, your withdrawal request will be processed. You can track your withdrawal status within the app. Be aware that withdrawal times can vary based on network conditions. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized a Cash App crypto withdrawal. Always ensure your identity and withdrawal methods are secure. For any further assistance, check Cash App's help section. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.